Why does your scanner show the P0581 engine code? What does it mean? P0581 is a diagnostic trouble code for cruise control multifunction input A circuit high. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected the vehicle's speed is not being automatically controlled by the cruise control. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car: defective cruise control switch, damaged wiring, loose or corroded connector, dirt or debris on the switch, ECM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Jeep Wrangler, Nissan, Ford, and other manufacturers. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.